Question number 18. Multiply the sum of 5 by 3 and 3 by 4 by their differences. Okay. So given number is equal to 5 by 3 and 3 by 4. To find product of sum and difference and solution. Under solution, let's calculate sum of numbers. So 5 by 3 plus 3 by 4 is equal to, here LCM will be 12. So 5 4 is a 20, 3 3 is a 9 upon 12 is equal to 29 upon 12. Okay, so this is our sum of numbers. To calculate difference of numbers, five by 3 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 20 minus 9 upon 12 is equal to 11 upon 12. Now to calculate product of sum and difference is equal to 29 by 12 into 11 by 12. 11 9 is 99, 11 2 is 22, 22 plus 9 31 upon 12 into 12 144. Therefore answer is equal to 319 upon 144.